what's good, what's happening Mzansi mamela man siyakwamkela mfondini kwinkqubo yakho le uyithanda kakhulu uyanibona mos ngokuba ngilapha kwi-create table. So much is happening namhlanje, but what I like about it is that we are all about space. This space week kaloku mchana. So right now we are going to be creating a constellation flashlight, right? So okokuqala squad members mhlawumbe uyazibuza wena uba yintoni i-constellation yona kuqala. I-constellation ke squad members are a group of stars that form a recognizable pattern or shape, right? That's what we are going to be creating namhlanje ke. Eyethu ke i-create ke thina izoba yi-dipper, right? That is of course the Big Dipper. So okokuqala masiye nje kwizinto ozazidinga to make your constellation flashlight. So okokuqala squad members uzawudinga i-flashlight, right, which is on my table right now, and of course uzawudinga iphepha lakho ke elimnyama, and of course you're going to need a pencil and a scissors. Ukhumbule ke squad members xa usebenzisa iskere ke funeke kubekho umuntu omdala okuncedisayo so that ungazisiki. We don't want any accidents happening there. Uzawudinga ke ne-glue squad members, and of course you are going to need a cupcake holder, right? And of course you are going to need a toothpick mchana and an elastic band. All right, so there you have all the materials that you are going to need. So masiqale ke ngoku siyenze lento. So I'm going to take my dog paper right now and I'm going to trace the circle. Le circle ndiyitraceayo ke squad members le izandinceda to have my constellation light, and then ndizayisika ke ngoku olu hlobo. Ndizawusika a proper circle just like this. Le sekile kaloku ndifuna uyincamathisela apha emva kwale cupcake, right? Just like this one, perfect circle. Ndifuna uyincamathisela apha, but I'm gonna need some glue to do that, correct? So iglue yam kufuneka ndithi make sure that we smear it all the way around because we don't want no mistakes happening there. Kungabikho ndawo engancamathelanga mtshanam. So emveni koko ndizawuthatha ke ngoku le cup yam ndithathe i-toothpick, right squad members, and then uzawugqobhoza ke ngoku. You need to have someone omdala endlini oza kuncedisa to do this because we don't want any accidents again happening, because mamela mchana, this might get dangerous. Ikhona le sendiyigqibile because this one we've already done it and it is complete. All hlobo ke squad members, you are going to make your holds just like this, and depending on what it is that you are doing, then chilomos tina we're doing the dipper one, right? Yes, so into ezakwenzeka you're going to do your own shape, and then koko squad members uzawuthatha i-flashlight yakho kanjena. Ebona le ndilula kanjani, and you are going to insert it in there, and then sizayicomplete ngantoni? Sizayigqibezela ngale band, elastic band, right there squad members. This is so cool. So now, before we try on Lendaba, we have to ask our people up there to turn the lights down so that we can give it a try, right? And we switch on our flash, and there we go. Look at the coolness going on there, squad members. Look at how cool this is. And maybe you can do it. Can you see the pattern of the little dipper over there, squad members? Can you see it? I like it, squad members. And there, man, you could have this and you could do it in the comfort of your own bedroom. So do all of this in squad members. Nisithumele ke kwi-WhatsApp line yethu niyayazi. And mhlambi ke awuyazi ba yenziwe njani, mhlambi ne-instructions uyazifuna, uyapha ku-www.hexagon3.co.za. Okwangoku masike sithathe ikhefu mtshana sisela amanzi sisaya phaa entengisweni. Xa sibuya, more Hexagon 3 space things are happening. Ungayi ndawo.